Are you tired of being told that IBS is just in your head and it's all anxiety and stress? Your gut just isn't broken. It's actually speaking to you. You just need to know the right language to understand it. You're not crazy and your symptoms are real. What if I told you your gut and your nervous system are constantly in a conversation? It's called the gut brain axis, the communication highway between your brain and your intestines. Think of it depression, anxiety, trauma. They send signals straight to your gut from your brain. And that's why many with IBS also struggle with mood swings, fatigue, brain fog. Your gut bacteria influence the brain too, especially the brain chemistry, which involves around serotonin, GABA, which impacts the mood and digestion. When you experience trauma, stress, or emotional dysregulation, your gut feels it. It literally feels it. That's why symptoms like flare ups during exams, heartbreaks, job stresses, or even old unresolved grief can result in gut issues. Now, research shows that IBS can be linked to childhood trauma, chronic stress, nervous system dysregulation, not just bad food choices. So, if you've been treating IBS only with diet and not addressing the nervous system, you're only solving half the problem. Now, this is where natural medicine shines. And instead of just masking the symptoms, we dig into the root causes, including the nervous system, the hormones, the hidden food sensitivities. And we run a lot of different tests to find out what actually is going on with your body. And in our tradition, even the prophetic medicine emphasized balance. Balance in food, balance in emotions, rest, prayers, meditation, things like hijama, black seed, mindful eating, all align with modern findings. I have built a free 7-day gut reset plan that includes a daily meal, supplements, and lifestyle tools that reset the gut and calms the nervous system. It's linked in the description below. And if you're serious about healing your gut and want one on one guidance, I offer personalized consultations. We review your history, lab works, lifestyle. We build a plan that actually works for you. So you can use my Calendly down below and book a spot which suits you and your time. Hit the like button if this resonated with you. Comment down below with your biggest IBS struggle. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the Natural Healing Haven, and your body was designed to heal. Don't forget that. And let's get back to healing.